Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Today is a new day and I have come up with a new word in the series called Word of the Day. Today is day 33 of this series. You can find the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial since it will enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is dexterity. The meaning of the word dexterity is skill in performing tasks, especially with hands. So, the meaning is skill in performing tasks, especially with hands. Now, let us look at a sentence in order to understand this word dexterity better. The sentence says, he caught the ball with great dexterity. So, he caught the ball with great skill. Here, dexterity is being used as a noun. Now, let us understand and see the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be adroitness, skill, or proficiency. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be clumsiness or insensitivity. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word dexterity better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड डेक्सटेरिटी को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was he caught the ball with great dexterity. So सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है कि उसने निपुणता के साथ या कौशलता के साथ बॉल को पकड़ा. सो यहाँ पर डेक्सटेरिटी का मतलब है निपुणता या कौशलता. So guys, we have used both the languages English as well as Hindi to understand this word dexterity better. I hope you liked this video. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.